Hi everyone. So today I'm going to make a roller bottle for your liver. So it's a very simple one, and I just got inspired by dry Feb, and I have a few friends doing cleanses and detox, and so I thought this is a good roller to share with everyone. So basically, in a 10 ml bottle, I'm actually going to repurpose and reuse one of my emptied, cleaned doTERRA bottles. I'll peel the sticker off later. So we're going to put in 5 drops of geranium, and then 5 drops of fennel, and then 3 drops of grapefruit, and then one of my favorites, ginger. We're going to do 3 drops of ginger. Oh, you can tell it's my favorite. It's almost empty. And then rosemary, we're going to do 2 drops. Oops, I did a little bit too much. And then you fill the rest up. If it's a 10 milliliter, you'd fill the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. I'm going to fill it most of the way, just not totally full. And then I buy these little rollers, plop it on there, roll it, and it's all done. So this is really good. It helps the body flush out toxins, and it's you can apply it 4 times a day just by rolling it. Or actually, I was just thinking, you can not do a roller if you want and do a little spray top. You can spray and rub it in and massage it in. And yeah, so that's my little recipe I wanted to share with you guys. If you did dry Feb, message me and I will make and mail you one of these, okay? You're awesome, and happy March and spring, and look forward to seeing and hearing from you guys soon. Take care.